Wix just dropped their brand new AI website builder, and I've spent hours testing it to bring you the 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in. If you're even thinking about using AI to build your website, do not skip this, because what Wix just released might save you days of work, or completely waste your time if you miss a few key details. You can actually try it completely free from the first link in the description, so you don't need to take my word for it, but I'll break down what it does well, where it's still rough, and why you'll want to see what happens at the end of the build process before deciding. First off, Wix AI Website Builder isn't just a new template engine. You tell it your industry, goals, branding, vibe, and in seconds, it builds out an entire website with unique images, layout, and text. And the shocking part, the copywriting is actually usable. It's not generic fluff. It adapts based on your tone and even the structure of your business. If you've used tools like ChatGPT to build sites before, Wix's native AI flow feels way smoother because it builds visually in real time. Now second, design customization. After it generates your site, you're not stuck. You can tweak everything. Colors, sections, text, features, even inject your own branding. Wix has built this AI into their classic drag and drop editor, so you're not limited by AI guesses. That flexibility is where it beats a lot of one-click AI website tools. Third thing you need to know, it's fast. The AI builds a complete website in under 2 minutes. We're talking homepage, about page, services, and even a contact form with logic built in. For solo founders or small teams, this is a game changer. But here's where it gets tricky: SEO. The Wix AI website builder does a decent job creating meta titles and descriptions, but if SEO is important to you, you will want to go in and tweak things. Same goes for content structure. It's good, but not always optimized for ranking, so it's fast and clean, but not perfect if you want to compete on Google. Fifth, AI-generated images. Wix pulls royalty-free images into your site based on your brand and niche. It's not Midjourney level stunning, but they're actually relevant and make your site look professional on day one. You can replace them later or even use your own uploads instantly. Another thing I noticed, it integrates well with Wix's e-commerce and booking tools. So if you're launching a service-based site or small shop, the AI will suggest features like scheduling tools, pricing tables, or even basic checkout pages that just work right out of the box. No extra plugins or coding required. Finally, and this is big, you can regenerate any section with one click. If you don't like the text or layout the AI gives you, hit regenerate, and it'll rewrite or redesign it instantly without wiping your whole site. This makes experimenting incredibly easy, especially if you're not a designer or writer. So, is the Wix AI website builder worth it? Honestly, if you're new to building websites, don't want to deal with code, and want something live fast, this might be one of the best AI website tools on the market right now. Again, you can try it completely free from the first link below. No risk. Just play with it and see what it creates for your brand. And before you go, in the description, I've listed my top recommended AI tools that I've personally tested after going through thousands of AI softwares. Try them out if you're serious about building online faster and smarter. And